most useful workshops, if not the most useful workshop that I've been to in a very long time.
Then you know what? It is worth your time. It's worth the return of investment to come in today, because you can learn so much. Not only is time valuable, but also the content and the educational piece of learning something different and being a difference.
The entire room within that workshop were absolutely hanging on every word, and every sentence was giving me something that I could immediately, tangibly use within my business to improve the way that I'm doing things. So it was invaluable to me.
If someone was saying to me, "Oh, I don't have that hour to spend on my day to come and do this workshop," let's say, or this session, I will say, well, you'll have to make some time because it's worth it.
If it comes up again, I will be the first to book in.
Because what you take away with you is invaluable, and the tips and tricks that you learn along the way can make a difference to everything that you do.